Hello and welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today is one of my favorite steps and it's so regal and so beautiful that I know you'll never stop doing it. And it is my beloved Balancé. Are you ready for this? Brilliant, let's do it. Balancé is one of those beautiful movements that you will find in every possible discipline. It's not just a ballet step, it's something that we call ball change, or that we've seen in jazz or in contemporary, or even the Rockettes do it. Yes, so Balancé is just a pretty way to go from one side, balance the weight, and then let it drop on the other side. Whatever you want to call it, it is one of those steps that will make you feel happy, just wandering around town and feeling free. So how does Balancé go? So I'm going to turn around so you can practice with me by copying exactly. So we're going to the right. So we're taking the leg out to a very small controlled jeté to the side. We drop our weight onto that leg. The other leg goes behind and we transfer the weight to then drop it back onto the first leg again. So down, up, down, down, up, down. This is how it goes. Remember, down, up, down. It's almost like you're trying to find the balance and then coming back down. That's what's fun about it. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And this is Balancé décolleté. Décolleté because it goes to the side. You can do Balancés going forward and going backwards. Forward and going backwards as well. Have you seen this step before? You've seen it at court. You've seen it from people that do ballroom dancing. You call it waltz. So it's a very common step that even here we do. But it all comes from ballet. It comes from court, you guys. It comes from Louis XIV that we spoke about at the very beginning. It comes from court. So we want to have that beautiful regal movement in every step we take. So every time you balance up on your tippy toe, I wanted to show you jewels as well. So balancé, balancé, you're balancing up here. Very good. Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers style. Shall we do a nice, beautiful exercise with the music? Let's do it. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there. So you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. The exercise goes something like this. I want you to start in a preparatory position. So your right leg is in front, your knee is touching the other one, and your foot is pointed at the back. So you're in this position right here. Your hands are out to the side. This is for girls. Boys, man, you're just standing up here in a very small first position. Yeah, it's not a first and it's not parallel. It's something in between, nicely relaxed, yeah? Ladies, you're here, okay? So, right leg in front, preparatory position for ladies. Out here in a small demi-second, yeah, you got the hint. Yeah, it's always the same words coming out. And guys, you're out here. Very good. We're going balancés to the side. Décolleté, 1 and 2, with arms picking up a bunch of flowers into a third position. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Ladies, you're stepping to the side, taking a curtsy, stepping to the side, taking a curtsy. Man, step aside, curtsy, step aside, curtsy. You're actually bowing to your lady, all right? And we start again. Balancé, décolleté, balancé, side, balancé, side, balancé, side. Step arms in fifth, take a bow and up,
and take a bow. That's all we're doing. Breathe. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Step up and bow and step. Start again. And balance. And balance. Balancé. Balancé. Good. Step. Bow. Up. One more time. I'll do the man version. 2, 3, 4. Step aside. Thank you. Very good. Other side. Bow. One more time. And up. And smile. Down. Step aside. And thanks. Step aside. And finito. And now that you know how to move beautifully from one side to another, balancing around with a partner or without, I think it's time for you to jump around a little bit. Do you want to know what it is? Well then, let's watch the next episode and let's practice it. Let's sauté.